Welcome, students. Today, we are going to learn how to draw a perpendicular to a line from a point outside the line. Consider a line segment AB and a point C outside the line. Place the tip of the compass at the point C. Extend it to the suitable radius and draw an arc such that it cuts the line segment AB at least 2 points. Now, place the tip of the compass at one of the intersection points and draw another arc. Now, place the tip at the second intersection point and draw an arc such that it intersects the second arc. Join the intersection point to the point C. This line is perpendicular to the line segment AB. By following this process, we can draw perpendicular to a line from any point outside the line.